Tawen 2008, idinay-promote iti posisyon na kas Teacher 3 ni Ma'am Marcelita Lucas sa Grade 2 teacher ti Modern Elementary School iti Labas Abra. Iti tawen na 60, sana niyam na masakbay nga gretiro, maipromote kas Teacher 6, baban iti Expanded Career Progression System wenno ECP ti Department of Education asagon ti President Bongbong Marcos.
Tinapalpalabas sir, nakarigrigat mo ti narigat ti may promote at di nga rod aguray ka iti item narigat pa yung motro reclassification ag security dagiti requirements iso nga tatanay kang kami ti gundaway nga may promote babayan iti dayto nga ECP kat agyaman kami unay sir uray nung nga ni kami nag-retire in prioritize na kami.
Karaman ni Teacher Marcelita kaniti nasorok sangariba monorsorok ken school heads asang sangkamay sa nagsapata iti baro posisyon da. Kuna ti DepEd Abra kadagupang kaniti nagipasa ti reclassification 1,224 ti bilang diti na i-promote iti papayan ti ECP manipod Teacher 2 aging kaniti Principal 4. Kaduang kanito ket Teacher 6 ngumabot iti 886. Idinto 50 ti newly hired ken promoted gapo iti natural vacancies manipod Teacher 1 aging kana Principal 3.
Ito yung expanded career progression is paslasabot ni BD ang kanya ati teachers na mabalinda nga may promote maximum of 3 salary grade steps. So no teacher 3 ka, mabalin mo may promote iti teacher 6 which is 3 salary grade steps. So dakkel nga promotion dito para kadagit teachers tayo.
First in the history of education in Abra, dahil kadakalanan tin kadwan nga napuntaran iti promotion. We started appointing them last December, yes. And then the first 2 weeks of January. The importance of course, mangtad ti may nga to ti dignidad dagiti teachers tayo, ma-boost yung moral da, motivated sila, can inspired sila nga agsoro. At sapay ko mata lalo nga ag-level up na bing nga isoro da.
Mismo ti DepEd Regional Director tinamagsapata kaditi promotees. Mangnamnama kasukat da ito'y ted adda pa'y panakitalo ti kalidad ti edukasyon.
As you are promoted, there's only one thing that the department would like from you, and me as your regional director or I as your regional director only request that you translate this to performance. That's the only thing we ask from you. We don't ask for anything else but for you to give in return what you should do to improve the quality of education in our region, in your school. To be patient, to be happy, to care for the learners.
Suportaramet dagiti leader iti probinsya dagiti nga addang ti DepEd nang rona kada Abra Representative JB Bernos ken Solid North Party List Representative Ching Bernos karaman ti gobyerno probinsyal.
I send you my warmest congratulations. You earned this. Your promotion reflects years of hard work and commitment. But we also know that your promotion comes with responsibility. You are now role models not only to students, but to your fellow educators. Your decisions matter more, and your leadership carries more weight. And I trust that you will live up to that responsibility. As someone who believes strongly in education, I want you to know that you are not alone. We will continue to support reforms that uplift teachers and protect their welfare. Because investing in teachers is one of the best investments we can make for our communities and for the future.
We honor your growth, your professionalism, and your willingness to keep learning so that others may learn more. Progression in your career mirrors progress in our communities. As you rise, so does the quality of education. As you grow, so does hope in every barangay, every classroom, every family you touch. Yet with this promotion comes a deeper responsibility. You are now not only educators, but mentors to younger teachers.
Archie Lorenzo, Balitang, Solid North.